Ever since I transitioned from being a content creator in abakaliki to now a coach on personal development, I noticed that my views kind of dropped, and it is all right because obviously this is what growth comes with, transitioning comes with, and normally it pay me about. It's all right. And you guys check out my flower. It's so cute, right? But anyways, this is not the point of the video. So now I'm going to be telling you who this is my content now, my current content, who it is for. So if you're my old audience, I feel like okay, this I actually want to partake in this journey. You might want to just stay back, but if you're not interested, still good and fine. And then for my new audience, just sit back, fasten your seatbelt, because I'm going to be saying the people that my content is actually meant for now. So the first people on my list, if you're into personal development, which is evolving or growing into becoming your dream self or the person that you've always wanted to become, this my content is for you. The second people who are my content are for young adults who are still trying to navigate life and adulting in general, and you don't know how to go about it, or you need somebody who's going to be like a big sister to you. That is why I am here, because I'm going to be sharing helpful tips that are helping me in my journey when it comes to financially, mindset wise, every single thing that is working for me. I'm going to be sharing it here, so you might want to subscribe so you don't miss out on any valuable lesson that I'll be talking about. Thirdly, if you are interested in making a shit ton of money from this internet at a very young age like myself, then this video on my channel is for you, because I'm going to be teaching what is working for me as a young adult living in Nigeria, because I have multiple sources of income online, and I'm not going to be sharing it in this video, trust me, but I'm going to do it in other videos, which is why I say if you are new, subscribe. If you are an old subscriber, just stick around so you can learn one or two from everything that I'm going to say, because this content is not just only for young people, it is also for matured people or advanced, because we always want to grow. You cannot tell me that you are the same person you were last year or you are the same person you were last 2 years. We are always evolving, right? So that is the essence of this personal development and becoming a better person than you are today or yesterday. I am so happy making this video, because I've always wanted to make helpful videos like this on my YouTube channel, or I kind of forgot the main idea or the main reason why I started my YouTube channel in the first place, and that is why it is called transitioning or personal branding, right? I'm really glad I'm able to make this video and I'm able to come back and this time around intentionally help people become a better version of themselves. So yeah, see you guys in my next video.